Hello, Ms. Vaz here with your instructions for today. Today we're going to work on Project 9. And for Project 9, we're going to try to do something fun. Well, first thing you're going to do, you already know. You report your attendance, you're going to find your video, you're going to connect to class because if you have questions, it's good to be connected. And even if you don't have questions, you can learn something. So please connect. When you go to the photo for today, you're going to find instructions to leave a voicemail. I made an example. So you're going to pretend that you are making a phone call and then you're going to leave a message. And you have to leave a message with some information. So you're going to record the message saying a greeting because you're polite. And then you're going to say your name, something that you like or you don't like. And then an adjective that describes you, the personality trait. And a goodbye. And then I made an example here. Yes, you are going to use vocabulary that we have seen in class. Please. Okay. Back to the plan. So it's giving instructions about how to make the Voki. Some of you may have made a Voki already because we used it last year. So the ones who were in my class last year, you may know how to do it. But some of you may need help. So I'm going to guide you on how to do this. I may put even the link right here. Let's see. Yep, making it simple. Okay, so when you click this, it's going to take you to Voki. And then it says select your character. You can customize your own character or you choose one randomly by clicking on the dice in top left corner. If you want to customize your character, you can make it look like you by changing the hair, color, style. So you can play with the Voki a little bit. And so first thing you have to do is click create. You're going to create a Voki. It's going to give you an option. That's your option. But you can customize it. So you can pick a person. Now these characters that have a star, they don't work for our purpose because when you want to save it, it's not going to let you save. Even this cat has that star. So you see, it says premium right there. That means you have to pay for that. We're not going to pay. We like free stuff. So we don't see any. The easiest way is to go to the top and it shows all the characters. And then when you see the characters, you see the ones that don't have a star. So you can pick your character. So I'm going to pick a character. Let's see. Something that can be modified. Let's try this one. So I picked this character. And then it gives you choices. You have choices on how to change clothes. Let's do this. Maybe I should pick something more. There you go. Okay, so I picked that. And then, oh, it doesn't let me change the hair. Imagine that. Okay. But what about the hat? It says no hat. Let's do it with no hat. It doesn't give me choice for glasses. Some of them do. Some give you choices for jewelry or accessories. You can change the mouth. Okay. And then you have all the things that you can change. Let's change the background. It's kind of creepy. So we change the background to, since it's winter, let's do it to winter. And this background moves. And here you have options for the color, for the mouth. So you can make it more red or dark, whatever you want. Same with the color of the eyes. You can make them different. The skin can be darker, lighter. And the hair color can be different depending on what you want. That one matches the jacket. Okay, let's make it brown. And makeup. You can make it more intense. Oh, this one doesn't get the option actually. But once you have the character you want, let's see, it says right here, when you choose your free character, you're gonna add the voice, clicking on the speaker that you find there. So here's the speaker, and it gives you choices on how to add a voice. You can type it and you can record it. And these are all this is to upload a file, and this is to make it through a phone call. But we're going to do the typing. So here you're going to enter text. What text, Mrs. Bass? You say. This is a required information for your Voki. And it's similar to the warm-up that you just did. So you are going to have the greeting. You're going to have your name, one like or one dislike. If you want to include more, that's fine. In a word that describes your personality, also you want to add more than one word to describe yourself, the adjectives that you have been learning. That's fine, but it has to be minimum of one. And then a goodbye expression. So how do you do that? You just type I completed the information. I paused and completed the information. This is the information I'm going to include. Notice that I put a period every time that I finish a sentence, so my Voki pauses and doesn't say all at the same time. Now I'm going to listen to it.
Buenos días. Me llamo Elena. Me gusta Esquire. Soy atrevida. Hasta luego.
Why does she sound like she's speaking Spanish with a really, really bad accent in English? Because we didn't change this. So we change this and we find Spanish.
Buenos días.
Oh.
Me llamo Elena.
Now, that voice doesn't sound like Elena because we didn't change the character. So we're going to find somebody here who speaks Spanish, and we're going to find somebody who speaks Spanish in the way that we do it on this side of the world. We're not going to find somebody from Europe. We're going to choose somebody. Oh, that's Francisco. No, we had to look for a girl. Okay, here.
Buenos días. Me llamo Elena. Me gusta esquiar. Soy atrevida. Hasta luego.
Okay, now that you have your character, you have your voice, you're going to click Save right here. Name your character. Oh, it's Elena. Elena. Save. And it's going to save because it's your free character. When they ask you to sign, you say no thanks. And when you get here, you're going to copy this link. Now, pay attention. If you copy this link, it's not going to work. This link on top is not going to work. You have to type this. I mean, not type. You just copy it. So it says copy URL. And that's the URL that you are going to submit in the Canvas assignment. When you click here, here, and it gives you the option to paste the URL. So it looks like tinyurl.com and then some kind of code or something. But do not, and I repeat, do not copy this one, because if you copy this one, see, I'm going to show you what happens. If you paste this one, this is what's going to show me. Shows me your character. But if you copy this one, and I paste this one, this is what's going to show me. So as you can see, you will lose your Voki if you copy that URL there. It shows me some from the beginning again. Okay. So you're going to submit your assignment. That'll be it. I put some information here on how to do special characters. And as always, I'll be connected so I can help you if you have any questions. Let me know if you have questions, and I hope you enjoyed this project. I'll see you in class. Adios.